VeChain, big news, and staking price prediction. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be talking about some key news for VeChain. We'll be touching on VeChain staking, and then, guys, I'll be sharing with you my price prediction. We've been trading VeChain since the breakout of 2 cent. I'll be showing exactly how we're trading in the Rockstar Trading Channel, and then share with you some targets. If you already own VeChain and looking at some targets, I'll share with you some targets, price prediction. And also, guys, if you're looking to buy VeChain has been in a parabolic bull run. You can see the moves up. It's really trending nicely. It's a very bullish coin. I'll be sharing with you some strategies to get into VeChain. So, guys, VeChain has been one of the more popular coins on this channel. We've talked about that big breakout this year on out of 2 cent. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. VeChain is, like I said, a popular coin. I tried to trade VeChain live. I've shared exactly when VeChain is breaking out. In the YouTube channel, I talk about, the levels, the targets, the entries and targets and stops. In the YouTube channel, I can post exactly when VeChain is breaking out, my stop losses, my targets, and when VeChain is breaking out. But yes, I really like VeChain, and we'll be looking to trade VeChain even more, especially it's coming into my nearer target of 10 cent. So if you are interested in the trading group as well, I'll leave the links below for you to check out. If VeChain and altcoin market still continue moving up, this could be one of the best opportunities to get into VeChain and the altcoins. I'll leave the links below for you to check out. But now let's get into this video. So VeChain, guys, the key news that I've seen is talking about price, and that's not a bad thing. It shows how popular VeChain is. But I want to see more news on actual fundamentals, actual adoption, use cases. There lots of the time, if you type in VeChain news, most news that come up is talking about the price, all-time highs, breakout, big month. And this is great to see because VeChain is very bullish. But there are a couple of key news. VeChain fundamentally is still one of the best coins out there. I've talked about it in my videos. Watch my previous videos on fundamental analysis. This is just an update on the news and how we're trading VeChain in the Rockstar Trading Group. So VeChain is starting a decentralized exchange. The testnet is March the 15th. So this is quite a big news. VeChain launching his decentralized exchange, and as you guys know, I think decentralized exchanges is the future. Uniswap is one of my favorite coins. So our first 10x coin, Uniswap, we've been trading. Again, go watch my top 5 videos. We've been trading since $3 and it hit $30. It's one of my favorite coins this year. And I think if VeChain is successful in this launch of their own decentralized exchange, that is only bullish for VeChain. So this is something I'm really excited about, and like I said, we don't want to be held taken advantage of by those big exchanges by delisting, relisting, and charging extreme amount of fees. So if these decentralized exchanges can improve the user interface and have less fees, I think they're the future. So we'll have to keep an eye out for this. Blockchain in agriculture market sees a big move. Major giants VeChain, Original Train, and IBM. So again, VeChain is still trying to improve their adoption use cases. This is what we want to see. And like I said, fundamentally, VeChain is one of the strongest points, and this is why they're trying to grow the markets, grow their adoption, improve their use cases. And the more partnerships that VeChain have and use cases, they're already one of the biggest in transport industry and agriculture. So this is some positive news that we want to see for VeChain. And now let's talk about staking. So again, if you want me to make a dedicated staking video just on VeChain, make sure you comment below VeChain staking. I'll make a dedicated staking video similar to the one that I made for Zilliqa. Again, if you are interested in that, if there's enough interest, I'll make a VeChain staking video later on in the month. But VeChain, there's more and more places you can stake VeChain, and staking VeChain is really bullish for VeChain, because if you're taking supply out of the market and you're saying, look, I'm going to stake for a year, you hold that coin VeChain, there's less supply on exchanges. And if supply reduces and there's more and more people buying VeChain, there's more positive news on fundamentals and more positive news on the project. And if the supply is decreasing, demand is increasing, that only helps pushing the price up. So VeChain staking is quite a big news. And again, these are some of the top ones you can check out: Binance, Exodus, Atomic Wallet. If you are interested in a full just dedicated VeChain staking video, comment below and I'll make a VeChain staking video. So that's the roundup on news. Again, if there's any key news that I've missed out, comment below. I'm happy to discuss that. But these are the key news that I have found. So VeChain BTC, guys, VeChain BTC, if you guys remember, we traded VeChain on this huge breakout DeFi market. Everything was going up. Zilliqa, Cardano, all the DeFi coins, Ava, all the coins, SNX were pumping like crazy. Dot. And then we had a big pullback, and I was looking to jump into VeChain on a break above 100 sats. And that's the key thing I've been looking for. As long as VeChain is above that level, I'm long. This was our plan. So again, in the Rockstar Trading Group, I can provide update as the prices are going up. And I said, as long as it's above there, I'm long. And VeChain has been really good. So we've been longing VeChain since there. You've seen the recent post that I made on a breakout of not point 4 cent. I'll go back on the VeChain USD chart to share the price prediction. But now, guys, as long as VeChain, we got in just above there, and when it was breaking out above here. But as long as VeChain now is holding the 4-hour trend, I like this 37 and 130 zone. As long as it's holding above 130, 120 zone, I think VeChain will carry on going higher. Again, if you guys know my strategy, this is my pullback long strategy from the 50% to 618 zone. This is pumped really nicely and pushing higher. Hit our first target. And again, please make sure you have a strategy, whether you learn ours or have someone else's. This is the best opportunity, altcoin market, the way markets are moving, to make money. So please make sure you have a strategy. If you're just trading randomly, again, you're not going to make money in this. Whether you use a special offer to check out our group or have your own strategy, please make sure you have a strategy. That's my main thing I'm looking for. As long as VeChain BTC is going up, which is trending high nicely, I'm looking at the 200 sat zone, if it can hold this level. And as long as it's doing this, guys, I think VeChain will finally head towards that target of 10 cent and potentially higher. The recent post was a long from 44 cent when this broke out. This is where the recent long we took, and since then there was another setup here, but this is the main long that I have taken. Last year our trade was on a breakout of 2 cent. That was the really big trade that we took end of last year, and this was the DeFi drama. When DeFi was breaking out, there was another huge move. What I'm looking for now is VeChain to come into here, find resistance. This will be a sell target. People call me crazy for calling $1 Cardano and these big moves, but in a bull market and when a coin is really good, fundamentals goes out the way, and parabolic FOMO comes in, and VeChain can go a lot higher. Initially, I'm looking for this target now, consolidate a bit further, and look to buy again. That will be the main strategy if you've not long VeChain, or if VeChain gives a pullback towards here, I would definitely look to buy back more VeChain if we get that big pullback. If not, if VeChain starts breaking out above there, those are the two strategies I'm looking for. So look for a price above 10 cent, and look for any strategy, whether you use your indicator strategy, whether you use our price action pullback strategy. Make sure you have a strategy to get long VeChain if it starts breaking out. And I think if VeChain breaks out here, my next Fibonacci target is around the 18 cent level, where I'll be targeting. And guys, if it goes parabolic like we've seen Cardano, Zilliqa, and the way Bitcoin is going on, this can go some crazy prices. But let's stay reasonable. There's lots of videos already calling $10, $20 VeChain. I'll try to actually make money and show you exactly how I make money, and this is what I'll be targeting. And again, this is still a huge move coming up. So again, thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you are interested in a Rockstar Trading Group, I'll leave the links below. To end the video, what is your thoughts on VeChain? Comment below. Do you like it fundamentally? Do you like the project? Do you like the team behind it? And what is your price targets? Comment below your price targets. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Go VeChain.